Liability. Liability refers to the responsibility of the owners for a business's debts. The two types of liability are unlimited liability and limited liability. Who pays the debt? Unlimited liability, high risk. The owner and the business are seen as the same legal entity. Risks, personal assets, home, car, savings can be used to pay business debt. This is known as unincorporated. Examples: sole trader, partnership. Limited liability, lower risk. The owner and the business are seen as separate in the eyes of the law. Protection. Owners generally lose only the amount they invested. This is known as incorporated. Examples: private limited company, public limited company. Conclusion. Unlimited liability, personal property at high risk, and limited liability, personal property generally safe. Sole trader, a business that is owned and operated by one person. Benefits: quick and easy to set up, keeps all the profits, controls all the decisions. Financial information is kept private. Drawback: unlimited liability, finance may be limited, business may not run if off sick or on holiday. Heavy workload, need a wide range of skills, need to work long hours. Suitability, common for startup businesses because often require a small amount of finance. Simplest form of business to set up and start trading, often a low financial risk. Partnership, the business which has two or more owners who share the risk. Benefits: more money from partners, share ideas and skills, workload is shared, financial information is kept private, control is shared. Drawback: unlimited liability, may have disagreements, profits shared by agreed ratios. Suitability, used by a startup or established business when more finance is needed, a wider range of skills, low level of financial risk. Share risk and workload. Partners draw up an agreement explaining how their partnership will work. 1. How profits are to be shared. 2. The salary levels of the partners. 3. The percentage voting rights of each partner. 4. How the workload is to be shared. 5. The level of investment by each partner. 6. The sharing of liability. 7. Decision-making powers of each partner. Private limited companies. This is an incorporated business which is owned by shareholders. Shares can only be sold privately with the permission of the other existing shareholders, usually to friends and family. Benefit: easier to raise finance by selling shares. Owners have limited liability. Directors can get dividend payments. Drawbacks: control could be lost. Accounts and information are made public. More paperwork and legal rules. Disagreements can happen. Suitability: good for growing businesses when more finance is needed. Owners seek financial protection because risk is increased. Owners wish to keep control of the business. Public limited companies. A PLC is an incorporated business owned by shareholders with shares sold on the stock exchange through flotation. It is managed by a board of directors elected by shareholders at the AGM. Benefits: raises large finance, limited liability, more public trust. Drawbacks: takeover risk, owners may lose control, more media attention, accounts are public. Suitability: suitable for established businesses that need large finance, want to grow, high financial risk. Owners accept less control,